Welcome back, beautiful family. Today I want to share with you a very delicious Jell-O and Tapioca salad for the holidays that I know you guys are going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. To prepare this delicious Jell-O and Tapioca salad for the holidays, these are the ingredients. I have blueberry Jell-O, lemon Jell-O, strawberry Jell-O that it's going to be made with water. Of course, the tapioca pearls, evaporated milk, condensed milk, heavy whipping cream, and of course, some molds. This is everything we need, so let's get started. Here I want to start first dissolving the Jell-O. I have 3 cups of very hot boiling water, and I'm going to add the lemon Jell-O. Make sure that you mix for at least 2 to 3 minutes so all the gelatin really dissolves and your Jell-O comes out perfect. Remember, every time you make your Jell-O, make sure that you mix it for a couple minutes, so that the Jell-O is nice and firm and delicious when it is ready to eat. This part is very important. Always use very hot boiling water and mix it really good. And once you have this done, just put it aside and let them come up to room temperature. Here I have the tapioca pearls, and I am ready to put them in hot water. I'm going to add them in the hot water. Cook them for about 20 minutes until they start getting translucent. This is going to take about 20 minutes. But let me tell you, this salad of Jell-O and tapioca pearls come out amazing. I'm adding a little bit of vegetable oil. I'm going to grease my molds really good so that the Jell-O comes out perfect when it's done. And now I am ready to start adding the Jell-O to the molds, and of course I'm going to take them to the refrigerator for about 2 hours. Every refrigerator is different, but here I'm going to go ahead and put them in the refrigerator for about 2 hours until they're nice and firm. Look at this. Look how beautiful colors, and they're ready to go. And here that the tapiocas have been in boiling for about 15 minutes. After the 20 minutes, you could really see the tapiocas really translucent. Look at this. Now they are translucent. And once you have them like this, turn off the stove, cover your pot, and let it sit for at least 15 minutes. Of course, after the 15 minutes, you are going to drain them, rinse them really good, and now you're ready to prepare your 3 milks. I'm going to start with the condensed milk, and then I'm going to add just a little bit of the evaporated milk. I'm going to mix it really good, making sure that everything is well incorporated before I add the rest of the evaporated milk. Now I'm going to add the heavy whipping cream. And once the 3 milks are incorporated, I am ready to add the tapioca pearls. Look at this. I am using small tapioca pearls, but of course you could use medium or large. You decide, but I really love using the small ones because you could really feel that texture in your mouth when you are really enjoying this amazing Jell-O Tapioca salad. Well, I'm going to incorporate it really good. I'm going to let it rest for about 20 minutes before I add it into the Jell-O. Look at this. Look how beautiful this is. Of course, the tapioca pearls are going to absorb all the flavors of the milk. This is a very easy and delicious dessert that of course you can make year-round, but I love making it in the holidays. It's very festive and it's a very traditional Jell-O. And here I am going to go ahead and start getting the Jell-Os out of the mold, and I'm going to start slicing and cutting them in cubes. You decide how large you want your cubes, okay? I want them medium size, so I'm going to start adding everything into my bowl. The Jell-Os were in the refrigerator for about 2 hours, and they came out amazing, nice and firm. They came out of the mold really easily, and I can't wait to enjoy, to tell you the truth. I really love this dessert. It's a very easy dessert and a very creamy and delicious dessert to enjoy at home with your loved ones. Look at this. Just go ahead, cut it in cubes and add it to the rest of the Jell-Os. And look at the beautiful colors of the Jell-O. Once you have your Jell-O already cut in cubes, then this is where the magic happens. This is where you add the 3 milks with the tapioca pearls. And you are going to see how amazing this looks. Look at this. Really creamy and delicious. And of course, don't forget to add your vanilla extract. I am adding vanilla paste, but you could add vanilla extract if you don't have vanilla paste. You're going to take it to the refrigerator and you're going to leave it there for at least 20 minutes before you are ready to enjoy. Like I said, don't forget your vanilla extract or your vanilla paste. This is going to really elevate all those amazing flavors. And once it is incorporated, you are ready. Of course, put it in the refrigerator for about 20 minutes and then you're ready to serve. If you liked and loved this recipe, I invite you to subscribe, be part of my family, and of course, enjoy my recipes. Happy holidays, and don't forget, add a little bit of heavy whipping cream right on the top. I'm ready for the presentation. I'll see you in a bit. My friends, I am completely done with this amazing Jell-O and Tapioca salad. I am sure you guys are going to love it. I added some heavy whipping cream right on the top. You need to prepare this, especially for the holidays. You could really feel the pearls of the tapioca and the Jell-O. Amazing. Like I always say, when you bake and you cook with love, everything comes out perfect. If you liked and loved this recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell, and if you did, leave it activated, so every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. Like, subscribe, and share, and see you on my next amazing recipe. Happy holidays. Bye-bye.